Isa na namang bagong Pinoy boxer ang gumagawa ng ingay sa larangan ng boxing mga tropa. Akalain mong 4 na sunod-sunod na laban nito ang tinapos niya sa pamamagitan ng knockout sa loob lamang ng round 1. May sa halimaw din ang kababayan nating ito dahil sa bigat ng suntok nito na kapag kumonekta ay talagang may kalalagyan ng tatamaan. Siya na kaya ang susunod sa yapak ng ating mga magigiting na champion sa larangan ng boxing. Tara at kilalanin natin ang kababayan nating ito na si Raymart Soledad at kung paano niya tinapos ang mga nakaharap niya sa loob lamang ng isang round. Si Raymart Soledad ay isang orthodox fighter at may impresibong undefeated record na 7 wins at 5 dito ay tinapos by knockout at siya ang kasalukuyang may hawak ng ABF Super Lightweight Championship belt. Ang ating kababayan ay naimbitahan na lumaban sa bansang Thailand noong November 2024 upang kaharapin ang tigasing Thai fighter na si Ploen Wangkaklang. Ngunit sa labang nilang dalawa ay hindi man lang pinagpawisan ng ating kababayan dahil ilang segundo lang ang tinagal ng Thai fighter sa labang ito.
Right now, it's a Plum in the southpaw position and Raymart in the orthodox position. So it's going to be a battle of the footwork. Who can get their lead leg on the outside of their opponents before sending that power shot? And already a great shot landed by Raymart. Took the words right out of my mouth. And he just set up that shot and it looked like a body shot. It's put him down to the considerable. Has put Plum onto the canvas in professional boxing debut. Definitely not gone as planned. But this is one of those things about boxing is when you take a shot to the body, you don't realize how much it hurts until it's happened to you. It is very hard to understand the feeling of getting hit to the body like this. Raymart Soledad goes to 3 wins for his professional boxing record. Scheduled for 6 rounds, but he said, I don't need 6, just give me 30 seconds and that's it.
Panalo si Raymart Soledad via knockout sa unang round lamang ng laban at pagkalipas lamang ng isang buwan ay sumabak agad ang ating kababayan sa isa na namang tigasing Thai fighter na si Nahatoch Singh Manasak at muli ay pinatikim na naman ng ating pambatong kababayan ang isa na namang Thai fighter ng kanyang mabibigat at malulutong na suntok na agad na namang tumapo sa kalaban sa loob lamang ng isang round. Pambihira ang lakas ng suntok ng ating kababayan, lalong-lalo na sa bodega.
One underway.
Big right hand landed already by Raymart to the body. And I've seen Raymart fight many times. A very strong fighter, very calculated, very stiff with his shots, and we can already see it there. Going down low with a big right hand, swinging upstairs with those left hooks already.
Very strong shots early on from Raymart here. Nahatak just got to be careful when he punches. He's leaving those hands low.
And that's the interesting thing of a body puncher as well. Every time they go down low, they run risk of their fighter even just moving or blocking that shot. And then obviously an accidental low blow, which is exactly what that was there. Great counter punch there by Natahuk though.
I think this is what he's looking for when them hands are low. Doesn't always choreograph those shots, just enables him to be able to throw like that. Good counter hook there from Raymart.
And you can see Raymart slowly just lowering the tempo right now in comparison to the first 20 seconds. And like we've said before, Natahuk just had to weather that storm, I felt. But a big right hand puts him onto the canvas. As we were saying, he's calming down. An explosive action puts Natahuk Singh Manasak Jim to the canvas. And he's up already. Will we see the Filipino fighter try and take him out early?
And again, he looks for that body, cracking body shot. That just echoed throughout the arena there.
Side of his opponent, but then as soon as the body opened up for him, I feel like every shot he threw upstairs was...
Panalo si Raymart Soledad via knockout sa loob lamang ng first round at makalipas lamang ng 2 buwan ay agad na namang sumabak ang ating kababayan sa bansang Thailand at ngayon ay kakaharapin naman niya ang bato-batong si Sakda Langkabam na may record na 10 wins at 7 rito ay tinapos sa pamamagitan ng knockout.
by Saladin, left by Saladin upstairs. Another left by Saladin, counter to the body by Saladin, left and right, so by left by Saladin, another one to the right, he's put him down, he's going to go down for an 8 count at least here. Saladin's coming strong. Okay, they come back in. Saladin is hungry. He's already having hungry. Saladin, a left by Saladin. Body by Saladin. Left and right to the body by Saladin. Again, left and right. Beautiful body punches. He put Chai Jim down for the second time. He's gone down for a second 8 count. We go again, Saladin, left and right again, left and right, left and body of Saladin again. Malichai's trying to defend himself, but he can't. Saladin's coming in very strong, throwing punches everywhere here. Left by Saladin. Another punch to the body by Saladin. Malichai's trying to defend. Left over the top. Saladin left and right again. Again, he's going for the right part. He's going for the inside. Left to the right to the body. Again, the body by Saladin. Saladin coming in punches everywhere. Malichai Jim has gone down 3 KOs.
Panalo ang ating kababayan by a first round technical knockout. At nitong May 21, 2025, muli na namang sasabak at naimbitahan sa Thailand ang ating kababayan para lumaban sa IBF Super Lightweight title at para kaharapin si Jatopol Raksapet na isang Thai fighter na may malinis na kartadang 4 wins at lahat ay tinapos by a knockout. Pakay ng Thai fighter na masungkit ang Super Lightweight title para hindi mapahiya at mapaghiganti rin ang kababayan niya na pinatulog at nilampaso ng ating pambato, ngunit hindi niya inaasahan ang mga sumunod na nangyari.
10 rounds of action scheduled. We've got a southpaw against an orthodox. The classic warfare of the lead leg, the jab and the backhand. The fighters biding their time.
Explain that a little bit more, Jimmy, because it's more than just the lead leg. What do you have to do? How do you have to anchor yourself up?
Well, you've got to remember, when you get that lead leg on the outside of your opponents, it allows you to step closer in and land a more powerful shot. But here we are, both fighters just absolutely going for it in the center of the ring. Neither one is taking a back step there, Ali. Just absolute swinging for the fences. No one expected something like this. Rema and Jatopol to just start firing at each other.
Yeah, Jatopol taking more hits than a pinata, and the left hook cracks him right down to the canvas. Jatopol doesn't look like he's going to recover. Referee's at 7, he's at 8, and that is it. Raymond Soledad improves his professional record, his undefeated record, to 7 victories right there. Really fast and furious start for Raymond Soledad. And it was the left hook that got the job done for him in the first round.
Tulog ang Thai fighter sa loob lamang ng first round ay tinapos na ito ng ating kababayan at tagumpay na nakuha ang Super Lightweight title at ngayon ay kilabot at kinakatakutan na ng mga Thai boxer. Kung nagustuhan mo ang mga ganitong content ay baka naman pwede ka mag-iwan ng isang like at pakisubscribe na rin ng aking channel. Maraming salamat mga tropa.